Good morning, guys. It's too early to be up. It's 5:30. So, anyway, on my way to work. Um, really nothing to say this morning except tired of this weather changing up and down. 40 degrees difference every day. 60-degree one day, and then the next day 25, 30 degrees. What is this? Literally 70 degrees. What was it? Friday? Friday, I think it was 70 degrees. Thursday or Friday, it was 70 degrees. Today it is like 35. And supposed to snow. That what? No, it's supposed to be spring. Snow, you go away, far away. Okay, you understand? We're gonna go far away, like Forrest Gump's girlfriend Jenny. I'm gonna go far away from here. Okay, that's you, Snow. Get out of here. So, anyway, let's go to work. Hey guys, I am off from work. I just got out of class. Class was actually went pretty well. I actually like that class. I don't like the test and all that stuff, but I really like the simulations and stuff, like the game we play. Here's someplace. The game we play in there. We did the same thing we did last week, where we came in second place, which means we didn't do so hot. But we spent all our money on producing that time. They spent all of their money just keeping a production cycle going while we backstocked. So when we came back in on this one, we didn't really produce that much. We just sold stuff. Holy cow, we beat them by like €1 million in uh, sales and net income. But we won that one crazy. It was just like there was no competition. So in the fourth round, which was continued from last week, so we played 2 rounds this time, 2 rounds last week. So 2 rounds this time. The fourth round, the second round this time, we actually they almost called us, but we still beat them by like €200,000 or something like that. So good. We tried to just sell out all our stock at the end. We just kind of lowballed our prices and sold out as much as we could. I assume they tried to do the same thing to catch with us. They just couldn't. So we won. So anyway, I'm gonna go play some basketball. So let's go get it. That street bike though. Hey guys, it is a little bit after midnight, getting ready to go to bed. I don't have to be at work in the morning, so I get to sleep in. Basketball went pretty well. Um, kind of went well. First couple games I played for about 4 hours actually, so I didn't get home until 9 o'clock. I went in there at 4, I mean 5. Went in there at 5, I didn't leave until 9, so I got home at 9:30, so we're on there. And took a shower and all that stuff. But the actual games, first couple ones I played, I didn't do so hot. Late as the day went on, I started making some layups, getting some drives and stuff, which I normally don't do. I normally don't get drives and stuff, but I did this time for some reason. I don't know if it's where the guy that was guarding me. It was always the same guy because there weren't a whole lot of people there today. So it was always the same guy guarding me. And he had kind of a hurt ankle. I don't know if it was where he had a hurt ankle where I was being able to drive on him, but I don't know. I was just getting some good looks, getting some fast breaks and stuff. And then my legs started getting tired and giving out on me. I was like, there's no way I'm going to be able to make any more shots. But I continued to play. The last game I played, I had a layup and 3 threes. So I'll take it. So, anyway, it's been a good evening. Got the vlog uploaded, all that fun stuff. So, yeah, it's time to get some sleep. Get to sleep in. I'm excited. So, I'll see you guys in the morning. Good night, guys. Peace out. Plus, I get to get like 2 hours extra sleep. So,